I am audible. Now, I will start with the peninsula. So, the peninsula is what? First of all, I need to show you exactly where the peninsula is. Okay, you can see this area from here to here. This is called as peninsula. Okay, this is called as peninsula. So the area lying, they are also saying the area which are lying to the south of North Indian plains and tapering towards the Indian Ocean. It is called as Indian Peninsula. What I've shown you on the map, the from North Indian plains to the south, that is called Indian Peninsula. It consists of many plateaus, hills, ranges. Okay, so Indian Peninsula is consist of many plateaus and hill range. The Aravallis in the north are the oldest fold mountain years. Okay, so in the north side, if you see the Aravallis, the fold mountains are old. It includes a series of plateaus bordering the plains Vindhyas, Satpura ranges in the central part and the hilly region of Western Asian Ghats. So here in Peninsula, if you see, they are saying that here the mountains are there, the hill and mountains ranges are there, like Satpura ranges are there. Okay, hilly region, Western and Eastern Ghats. So the Vindhyas and Satpura ranges are there in the central part, and hilly regions of the Western and Eastern Ghats, which means so can you see where the Satpura ranges, Vindhya and ranges are there, and other Eastern and Western Ghats are there. So where the mountains are there. This is the height 6,000. Okay, 6,000 meter. And then coastal plains. So first, coastal plains means nothing but the area which is near the water, that is called as coastal plain. India is blessed with a long coastline extending approximately 7,500 kilometers. So I want to again take you to the map from this area till here. Okay, it is 7,500 kilometers and it lies to the western and eastern part of peninsula. So eastern and western part of peninsula it lies, and its western and eastern coastline shows remarkable dissimilarities. Okay, so there are some dissimilarities are there in coastline. The western coast borders the Arabian Sea, and it is a large rocky coast. At places, spurs taking off from the western Ghats have extended right up to the coast. Its width is also less. Rivers originating from western Ghats are short and swift, and hence estuaries and not they form estuaries and not deltas. So here, if you see, they are saying that in western Ghats, in western Ghats, so basically here if you see the mountains are there, the rocky coast are there. So whatever the coasts are there here, it is a little bit rocky. Okay, the rocky coast are there, and because of that the asteroids are forming. Asteroids are nothing but we can say in Hindi it's a khadi. Okay, Sakhadi. Now the eastern coast border is actually lying in Bay of Bengal, and it is formed as a result of depositional work of river. So many east flowing rivers from the eastern Ghats meet his coast. Because of the gentle slope of the land, river flow at lower velocity and deposit the sediments brought with them at the coast. As a result, the deltas are found along this coast. So there are some rivers are actually formed, and because of the river flow at a lower velocity, so deposits of sediments brought with them coast. Okay, and that's why the deltas are found. So in eastern coast, if you see in the back of Bay of Bengal, there are some deltas are found because the speed of the water is low over here. And then island groups. Island is nothing but island which are surrounded by the water. India has many small and large islands along the coast of mainland. So India is also small and large islands are there. These are included the coastal island groups, and beside India has two large group of islands, one in Arabian Sea and the another is Bay of Bengal. Okay, the islands in the Arabian Sea is known as the Lakshadweep, whereas the islands in the Bay of Bengal. So in the Arabian Sea there is a Lakshadweep, and in the Bay of Bengal it's Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and most of the islands in Lakshadweep are atoll islands. So the islands which are there in Lakshadweep and these islands are atoll, and they are small in extent, not very high. Islands in the Andaman group are mainly volcanic islands. So in Andaman, the islands are volcanic. So if you see the Lakshadweep islands are atoll islands. Lakshadweep is here, Andaman. So here we can see the volcanic, and here the atoll islands. So they are with large hills and interior parts in islands called barrel islands, which has only active volcano. So which has only active volcano in India. There are atolls in the Nicobar group too. Okay, I'm stopping here.